Realme 6i said to launch soon. Realme 6i is reportedly coming to India soon, but it is said to be a rebranded version of Realme 6s that was launched in Europe back in May. To recall, the company had launched Realme 6i was launched in Myanmar in March. The smartphone was launched as the Realme 6i in Europe later in May. According to a report, the Realme 6i poster was spotted outside an offline store where some of its key specifications were highlighted. The specifications and design in the poster resembled Realme 6's smartphone. The development was first spotted by On Phones on Thursday. According to the purported Realme 6i poster, the phone will come with 90Hz display, MediaTek Helio G90T SoC, and a 48-megapixel camera. It will likely arrive in two color options, the poster further highlights. Notably, the Realme 6s, available in the European markets, also comes with the same set of specifications. As we mentioned, the Realme 6i was launched in Myanmar in March. Realme 6's price. The Realme 6s was launched in Europe at €199, roughly 16,800 rupees. We can expect the rebranded Realme 6's price in India to be significantly lower than its Europe price, considering historical pricing differences. To clarify once again, India is now expected to receive the Realme 6s rebranded as the Realme 6i. Realme 6's specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Realme 6s runs Android 10-based Realme UI. It sports a 6.5-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2400 pixels, LCD hole-punch display with 90Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio G90T SoC, coupled with 4GB RAM. The onboard storage of 64GB is expandable using a dedicated microSD card slot. The quad rear cameras include a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. For selfies and video calling, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The Realme 6s carries a 4,300 mAh battery with 30 watts flash charge support. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.